Standard 12. Subject Mathematics. Lesson Line and Plane. Distance of a point from a line. Example, find the distance of the point P whose coordinates are given 0, 2, 3 to the line its equation is x plus 3 divided by 5 is equal to y minus 1 divided by 2 equal to z plus 4 divided by 3. To find out distance of that point P from the line, let us see geometrically. Suppose we take a line here, writing here equation for this line x plus 3 upon 5 equal to y minus 1 divided by 2 is equal to z plus 4 divided by 3. Point P whose coordinates are given 0, 2, 3. To find out distance of that point P from this line, simply draw perpendicular from the point P towards line. Suppose I have taken here perpendicular towards line, put a perpendicular as M. So target is to find out length of PM. So for Cartesian coordinate system, we can find out here direction ratios for this line PM. To get the coordinate for the point M from this equation of line, we take equality as a lambda. From these relations, values for x is obtained 5 times lambda minus 3. So 5 lambda minus 3 x coordinate. Y coordinate value 2 times of lambda minus 1 shifted, it become plus. So 2 lambda plus 1. Next, value for z coordinate 3 times lambda minus of 4. Value for x, y and z coordinates are obtained for point M. And line this L, it having direction ratios 5, 2 and 3. So initially in answer I am writing here, let capital M be the foot of perpendicular drawn from the point P 0, 2, 3 to the given line. Therefore, the coordinates of point M are obtained here already. 5 times lambda minus 3, 2 times lambda plus 1, 3 times lambda minus 4. Then next part, direction ratios. Direction ratios for this line PM. That is change in coordinates. X coordinate change 5 times lambda minus 3 minus of 0, that is change in x coordinate. Next, change in y coordinate 2 times lambda plus 1 minus of 2. Next, change in z coordinate value 3 times lambda minus 4 minus of 3. Hence direction ratios of line PM are obtained 5 times lambda minus 3. Next 2 times lambda plus 1 minus 2, it become minus 1. Next value minus 4 minus 3, that is minus 7. 3 times lambda minus of 7. These are the direction ratios of line PM, and line L having direction ratios 5 to 3. The direction ratios of line L are 5 to 3. Observe here, this PM line is perpendicular to line L. Line PM is perpendicular to L. Ratios between direction ratios. Line PM we consider direction ratios as A1, B1, C1, and line L direction ratios A2, B2, C2. Lines are perpendicular. Relation in terms of direction ratios is known, that is A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 is equal to 0. Let us substitute values for direction ratios. This is A1, B1, C1 consider, and lines direction ratios A2, B2, C2. We get 5 times lambda minus 3 multiplied by 5 plus 2 times lambda minus 1 multiplied by 2 plus 3 times lambda minus 7 multiplied 3 is equal to 0. Simplifying this, 5 multiplied inside this bracket to both terms, we get 25 lambda minus 15, 2 multiplied plus 4 lambda minus 2, 3 multiplied, 9 times lambda minus of 21 is equal to 0. Check total values for scalar lambda. 25 lambda plus 4 lambda plus 9 lambda. Yes, total is obtained 38 lambda, and constant minus 15 minus 2 minus 21, that is minus of 38, it is equal to 0. Minus 38 shifted to right hand side, it become plus 38. So 38 lambda is equal to 38. Multiplicative 38 shifted to right side get divided, 38 cancel, lambda value is obtained 1. After getting this lambda value 1, we can determine coordinates of point M. Therefore, coordinates of point M are put value for lambda is equal to 1 in this coordinates, we get relation value for M is equal to M coordinates. Lambda value 1, 5 times 1, 5, 5 minus 3, 2. Next lambda value 1, 2 times 1, 2 plus 1, that is 3. Next lambda value 1, 3 times 1, 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4 difference is minus 1. Coordinates for point M, that is foot of perpendicular, is obtained. Now after this, to find out length of perpendicular, that is length of PM. This length of perpendicular is obtained by using distance formula. Let us see distance formula. Point P has coordinate 0, 2, 3. Okay, and point M has coordinates 2, 3, minus 1. So length of PM is equal to, You are already familiar distance formula, x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square, z2 minus z1 bracket square. Let us check. Point P and point M coordinates are here. Change in x coordinate, 2 minus 0 bracket square plus 3 minus 2 bracket square plus z coordinate minus 1 minus 3 whole bracket square. Simplification values, 2 minus 0, that is 2, and square of 2 is 4. 3 minus 2, 1, and 1 square is obtained 1. Minus 1 minus 3 minus 4, and minus 4 square is plus 16. Check, total is obtained 16 plus 1 17, 17 plus 4 is 21. That is, length of perpendicular value is obtained under root 21 unit. Length of PM, distance of point P from the line L. This is the method for finding the length of perpendicular. I repeat again, let us see calculations stepwise. Problem given here, find length of perpendicular, that is distance of point from the line. Question, find the distance of point P coordinates 0 to 3 to the line x plus 3 by 5 equal to y minus 1 by 2 equal to z plus 4 by 3. Point P is given 0 to 3. Equation of line is also given. To find out distance of point from line. So foot of perpendicular point is taken as a M. So first initially written, let M be the foot of perpendicular drawn from point P 0 to 3 to the given line. Then coordinates for the point M are obtained from this equation of line by taking constant lambda value, ratio constant. So x value is obtained 5 times lambda minus 3. Y value 2 times lambda plus 1. Next 3 times lambda minus of 4. After getting the coordinate of point M, calculated direction ratios for PM, that is x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. These are the direction ratios. So these direction ratios I have considered value as a A1, B1 and C1 for the PM. And line L having direction ratios you can observe 5, 2, 3. That is A2, B2, C2 values. And one more concept basic that you are known. If lines are perpendicular, then the values for A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 in terms of direction ratio always 0. Then we have substituted values for direction ratios A1, B1, C1 and A2, B2, C2. After solving this, we obtain value for constant lambda, that is lambda is equal to 1. After getting constant lambda, find out coordinates for point M. Substitute value lambda is equal to 1. We get coordinate of point M as 2, 3 and minus 1. Point P coordinates are already given. Point M we have determined. Then next is to find out length of PM. We applied distance formula. Distance formula, x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square plus z2 minus z1 bracket square, like that. So after substituting values for coordinates, we get length of perpendicular value as root of 21. This is the technique for finding distance of any point P from the line L. Stop here. Like, comment and subscribe my channel for more videos.